How to send money from Binance to Wise 2025 full step-by-step guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So want to send crypto or fiat from Binance to Wise in 2025? Maybe you are a freelancer or a digital nomad, or just want faster international transfers with lower fees. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to transfer funds from Binance to Wise, step by step, including how to convert crypto into fiat, which routes are faster, and bonus security tips. So let's just jump right in. So first of all, so if you are holding a crypto in Binance like USDT, BTC or Ethereum and want to send the fiat to your Wise account, you have to open the Binance app or desktop site, and you have to go to trade, and you have to click on convert and block trade from here, and you have to convert your crypto to fiat, and ideally euro, yes, USD, ideally euro, USD or GBP, whichever matches your Wise account. So then confirm the conversion, and this step is only needed if you are not holding fiat already. Binance lets you withdraw both crypto and fiat, so pick the right option depending on your Wise deposit method. And on the second step, you can add your Wise bank account to Binance. So now we'll add your Wise bank account details to Binance. So in Binance, we have to go to wallets. You have to go to wallets, and after that you have to click on fiat and spot and click the withdraw to fiat and choose your currency euro, GBP, and it can be USD or GBP, and select bank transfer like SEPA, Swift or FPS. Wise supports these methods. Enter your Wise account details here and your full name, your IBAN or account number, and your Swift code if needed, and make sure the name on your Binance account matches your Wise name or the transfer may be rejected. So after that, after entering your Wise bank info, enter the amount you want to send, like $1,000 or $500, and after that review the fee and estimated arrival time. Binance will ask for 2FA verification, and enter your Google Authenticator or phone code and then tap confirm, and that's it. Your money is now heading to your Wise account. So depending on the region, SEPA transfer can take minutes to hours, while Swift may take 1 to 3 days. So let me tell you how to use Wise to hold or convert currency. So once the funds hit Wise, you can keep the money in your multi-currency Wise account and convert to another multi-currency with low exchange fees and send to another bank account or person in 80 plus countries. Simply open the Wise app or the site, and then Wise app or the site, and then you have to click convert or send to choose whether you want to send or what to do next. And after that, you can use Binance P2P to withdraw to Wise. You can also use Binance P2P, like here you can see the P2P option, like P2P buy and sell cryptocurrency using bank transfer and 800 plus options. You have to go to Binance and P2P trading, choose to sell crypto like USDT. You can click on sell and select the USDT or BTC, FD, USD, BNB, Ethereum, TRX, SHIB, Doge, whatever you want to sell, and filter buyers who support Wise like TransferWise as a payment method and sell directly to the buyer, and enter your Wise email and account info. Once the buyer sends funds to Wise, you confirm receipt. Make sure to only trade with verified users with higher completion rates, and best currencies to send to Wise are Euro via SEPA in the EU and GBP via faster payments in the UK. USD via ACH or wire in the US. Sending in your local currency reduces fees and speeds up delivery. Always match your Binance withdrawal currency to the currency account in Wise for smoother transfers. And let me tell you some common mistakes you can avoid. So don't withdraw to someone else's Wise account. Name on Binance and Wise must match. Double check Swift versus SEPA fees if using P2P. Never confirm before receiving the money. And some regions like India, Brazil, or Pakistan might not support direct Wise withdrawals. Use USD or Euro routing. So if you ever run into issues, this three solutions you can bookmark, or remember, like Binance withdrawal status tracker, Wise status page for delays, and Binance Wise help centers for transfer verification. Knowing where to check helps reduce panic if there's a delay, and you can also combine with other tools for freelancers and businesses. Like if you are a freelancer, remote worker, or seller, accept crypto on Binance and convert and withdraw to Wise. Then use Wise to pay your VA suppliers or team. You can also connect Wise to Stripe, Payoneer, or Shopify payouts, giving you a complete ecosystem for receiving and managing money worldwide. So, want your money to arrive faster? Try send funds on weekdays between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. local time in your recipient's country. Why? That's when most banks process transfers. Sending on Friday evenings or weekends can delay transfers until Monday or Tuesday. So you can also protect your funds by enabling 2FA, like two factor authentication on Binance. You can also turn on biometric login or 2FA on Wise, and you can also create a dedicated PIN or password just for financial apps, and don't forget to double check recipients' details. Both platforms allow minor errors that can cause delays. So, if you're receiving money in Euro, GBP, or USD, keep it in that currency balanced with Wise. Don't convert unless you really need to, because Wise charges a small conversion fees, and sometimes the best exchange rate happens at overnight or on weekdays, not weekends. Also, Wise lets you hold 40 plus currencies, which is great if you get paid globally or want to plan future travel or purchases. So, Binance to Wise is a great combo for fast global low fee transfers. You can send money to yourself or clients, family abroad in under 1 day. Always keep screenshots of transactions for proof. Wise also gives you virtual bank details for USD, Euro, GBP, AUD, and more. Use that to receive from other platforms too. And that's it. You have just learned how to send money from Binance to Wise in 2025. So if you find this video informative, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And we will be seeing you on the next video. So be well for that long. See you on the next video.